Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we're going to talk about mounting M-lok rail to your M-lok on your AR-15, or if it's a magpul furniture, how to add accessories to your M-lok rail here. It's very simple. Let me show you how I do it, the easiest way to do it, and let me show you what to watch out for. Something that I learned the hard way, mounting M-loks to your rail here, and you got to pay close attention, because if you look down your barrel, you're gonna see your gas block here too. So you got to always be aware of the gas block, and I'll tell you why in a second. So you get the screw that they give you with your M-lok. And then you get this little, like, locking washer there. It's got a little raised side on one side, and then the other side is flat. Easiest way to do it is if you stick your screw here into the hole here, and then you put your little nut on whatever. But you want the flat side to be up. If you notice that one side has that little raised size, that's there for a reason. So you want the flat side up, and that's going to help catch on the M-lok rail here on your AR-15. So you get that threaded on there, get it started, and I like to almost tighten it all the way down, but not all the way, pretty much almost all the way, enough where I can still turn it a couple times with my hand. So you should look like this. You can see I have the two raised up spots right here. And if you look on the bottom of your M-lok, you'll see that there's a groove cut out in there for that reason right there, for that lock to go into, to lock. Now, when you set this on your M-lok rail here, on your AR-15, however you decide to do it, if you notice that the gas block on mine is right here. And what happened was I kept losing my zero on my optic here. I couldn't figure out why. And then I found out that the screws on the back of this M-lok, when I had it attached to my gun here on the M-lok rail here, let me show you, I had it inside, and when I tightened the screw down, it was hitting on the gas block. If you didn't know, you can see your barrel is a little bit flexible. So if you're tightening down and you push on this gas block, it's gonna throw your optic out of sight. So try to mount your optic away from the gas block here. You can see mine is right. You can see mine is right there. Let me just get a better picture if I can show you. Mine's right there. It's black. You can see it. Try to stay away from that if you can. It'll make things a lot easier for you, especially if your gun keeps losing zero on there. So this is going to be for demonstration purposes only. I'm going to put it here on the top, but this goes on the M-lok or on the magpul version with the slots cut out too. So you can see it sitting on the top here, and once you start turning the screw, the actual nut turns like a 90-degree turn. You can look underneath of it and see, and it locks into place. So there shouldn't be that much more threads because I tighten it almost all the way. Or if you have to, you can look down and see that it turned, and once it's turned in position where you want it, you can pull up on the end of this a little bit with your fingers until it's nice and tight and firm, and then that's it. Very simple to do. And I did it on the top here just so I could show you that you can see underneath of it right here. You can see the nut on both sides of it. Obviously this goes here on the side of the M-lok. I just did it here for demonstration purposes, but be very mindful of where the where your gas block is, because like I said, this will have a little bit of flex in the barrel. They all have a little flex in there, and I couldn't figure out why I kept losing the zero on my AR-15. And then as I was changing the optic on here, I was going to add a laser on this. I realized it was hitting the gas block, and I was actually watching it move. So now I stay away from it. It's literally right here up in the front, kind of where the second M-lok is right here. But that's it, guys. That's how you install an M-lok on an M-lok rail, or on a this also works the same concept on a Magpul grip, like on the AK-47 there. And they're very easy to change around. You get a couple turns to unloosen it. Same way, you can move them very simple. You'll feel the lock nut turn, or if you got room that you can look and see, you'll feel that it's turning. Another thing I came up with is when you're on the side here and you can't get it in there, or it's not tightening, as you're tightening, pull up on that one side till it catches, and then it'll tighten down. Or you can stick a little piece of Allen wrench in here and just wedge it up against that nut there while you're tightening down if yours is spinning. But you want your nuts, like I said, the flat part has to be up. And that's it, guys. Any questions, please leave in the comments. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. And let me know if you guys have any questions. I love to interact with my people that follow me. So I hope you guys all have a great holiday, and we'll see you guys again soon. Have a great day to everybody. Be kind to one another, and God bless America. Have a great day, everybody.